Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me once again on another computer system teardown. Again, this is, as you can tell, this is another no-name Zalman case. Well, it's a Z1 Zalman case. It was a system I built for a customer of mine. This was their file server. It was just running Windows 10 as a file server. It was a small operation. I did all the security things on it to make sure it was good. But this one's ready to come apart too. So I'll give you a quick tour because it is just a Zalman Z1 case, and then we'll tear it down. So come join me over there. Company name was there. I scratched it off. A single CD-ROM drive, power button over there, reset button here, 2 audio ports, 2 standard USB and 1 USB 3.0. Looks a little crooked. That may have been an issue. And Zalman is the manufacturer of the case, not the computer. There we got 2 PS2 ports, SVGA there, DVI there, HDMI. So 3 video out. There's a 13. No, that is a USB-C. That's a first for this channel that we've seen. So this might be better than I thought. 2 USB 3.0. 2 standard USB Ethernet. I'm sure it's gigabit. If it has a USB-C port, I'm sure that's gigabit. And 3 audio ports, no expansion cards, and then the power supply. Go back on the side here. There you can see it is a Zalman Z1. So that's all she wrote. All right, let's get the covers off and see what's inside. What do we have? You've seen it before me. An Asus board, pretty dusty, but let's get a closer look. Okay, this system actually looks pretty good. It's an H170 Plus Asus motherboard, a 750 watt power supply. Let's see how much RAM it has in it. Again, these only come off one side. What can you tell me there? Or is it over here? I can't tell, but I'm going to try and look a little harder. Here you go. I'm guessing it's 8 gig, but I'll post it here if I see it. You know what? I might keep this one together. Okay, let's see what processor is in this. I'm starting with that because if this is a decent system, I may keep it together. There's the heat sink. Ooh, it's cruddy dirty. Let's see what she says. Okay. See, that says Intel Core i7-7600K. I'm not tossing this system. This one's staying complete. I'm going to use it.